instrument cluster. We got the front portion off. Turn to the rear, and we are inspecting inside these light bulb cavities. And voila, what we have found. That is definitely not good. I don't know what that is inside there, but take a look at this light bulb. That doesn't belong inside the instrument cluster. So we'll be removing a few other ones here on camera, since that was the first one I pulled out, to see what else we happen to have. Okay, that looks fine. The next one, it looks good so far. My Uber driver just arrived, so we're going to be calling it a night here pretty soon. But after seeing that, I just want to pull the rest of these guys out, put this up on our channel, see what we see. Okay, that's good. Pretty much what I'm using is the flathead screwdriver, tiny one, and we're just cracking all these things loose, just like so. Some are kind of old and brittle. These start to break. Like that one just did. I don't want to be driving around with an instrument cluster, so a lot of these tabs are just old. Any ones that need to be replaced, we will be replacing. Just hope that this panel is not shorted out. Yeah, nothing too tough. If you got an instrument light bulb that's out, you can actually access these from the back. So like, you know, you go to buy a car and there's no check engine light on, make sure there's a light bulb. And removing all of them and just checking on that. Get new ones for the sockets here pretty soon. Order them up tomorrow. So probably go to the 24-hour one. Auto one that is, but I think not today. And just, yeah, take them all out. Kind of focus in on this right a little bit better. Looks like it's that one, and just a couple burned light bulbs. Burn light bulb. Oh, bam. So let's investigate here. What that shit is. Fried the whole thing. Cool. Alright guys, catch up with you later. Peace.